Welcome to Happy Learning Tutorials. Hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to demonstrate the portfolio website which I've created for myself. So this is the basic introduction and profile layout which I've created. Yes, I do have experience on a lot of domains. If you see it over here, and if you want to connect, you can connect with me on LinkedIn. I have experience and giving advisory services on most of the cloud correction, migrations, and leadership traits. If you want, you can connect with me. So this is my basic introduction which I've written with my certifications, with my achievements, and what I'm doing currently. Okay, blah 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 blah. I don't want to post it over here. You can read it. Now the experience I've included like front end. I have worked on a couple of front end projects, back end projects, data migration and analysis, which is major on the data visualization and data quality. So basically, if you say yes, I'm a very data person and I'm working. Started with data analysis, then data migrations, then data engineering, then data quality, and last but not least, now I'm working on AI and ML part as well with the Gen AI stuff, with the RAG models, with uh, ChatGPT as well as Gemini. I have explored a lot of things. Okay, now coming to the tutorial part. So these are a couple of tutorials which I have done myself for the data integration, data loading, and data one ETL operations on AWS, on Snowflake, as well as on GCP, and on Azure Databricks as well. So if you want to go through, you can go through this. This is the basic demonstration of AWS S3 and Lambda, and finally, analyzing your data and stuff using EC2 as a compute option. Then this is you also will get to know about the IAMs over here, and then this was the basic demonstration I did, just displaying the public thing over here. Okay, you can expose the public subnets. Be very careful while sharing your data, and don't expose the private IPs, and you can block that any which ways further. Okay, now next thing which I did was Python and GenAI tutorials. You can go through them as well. So these are basics, exploring the notebook stuff and how to use the Jupyter notebook and how to basically inculcate the Python coding into your existing landscape or your infrastructure or your notebooks or your program. Okay, then we have also explored a couple of options with Snowflake, Snowpack notebooks, and how to read the file, the PDF files basically. And then again, coming back to AWS, I explored the AWS App which is an excellent ETL tool. I would say, you can create a direct flow for your apps and the data pipelines to integrate your data and load your data in seconds. I would say in seconds. If you know the stuff, if you know the basics, you're good with it. You can load your data in quickly and then perform the data analysis. If you're looking at a business stakeholder, this is the key thing you should go for. And this also includes data glue, which is again an excellent feature in the glue itself. Okay, so Airflow is one thing which I totally loved, because I wanted to analyze that thing first before getting into the nitty-gritties of the data. And my data was already in a structured format. It was already sorted and everything was there. It is also good for raw data. You can use that. You can try an option. So this is my experience of using that schema and everything. Then Databricks is definitely a go for your data live tables. I would say this is extremely good when you are using it for the real-time analytics, apart from the other competitors and the options like Kinesis and your real-time using Kafka real-time analytics. So Delta live tables and Databricks is the feature which makes it stand out in all the other areas and all the other competitors. So whenever you are going with the Delta live tables to analyze your data at the same moment, you can do that. So go for Databricks in that case. And then we have Databricks demos over here for using data transformation options to analyze your data. And I created this Snowflake feature. Okay, the basics of Snowflake, then the advanced features, and what is Snowflake all about, and a couple of applications and use cases which I did. So this is the Python and AI gen coding using the Google spreadsheets and Google Jupyter notebooks, which I did, and Kubernetes and this Terraform application, pugs and subnets. These are the basics usage and use cases of Power BI, Python and Tableau. So, and SQL and Tableau, you can view them as well. And these are the basics SQL logics, from basics to advanced SCD logics as well. So you can go through all of the interview questions over here, which I've included in the portfolio here. So if you see, these are the STD logics also included. And if you really like this website, please do share and connect with me. Like, share and subscribe and connect with me over here. And you can also provide your feedback. Hope you liked it. And I think that's pretty much about it. Have a nice day. See you later. Bye-bye. These are the blogs. If you want, you can go through them as well. And here it was, but subscribe, like, and this is my portfolio. Bye bye.